Hi guys, this is Jülich and welcome back to my channel after a very long time. I say this in every video, but हम सुधरेंगे थोड़ी, हम सुधरने वाले थोड़ी हैं. Actually, I don't know today कि मैं किधर देखूं because I'm filming on my iPhone and I'm just like, I'm old. I'm so bad with technology now. I don't know if I should stay there or directly at the screen to have eye contact with you, but it is what it is. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. So today's video is actually very special. It's something that I thought I would be filming like maybe a long time ago when I just moved into my house, into my WG, as they say in Germany. But well, I thought I would film it at some point while I was still living here. I am still technically living here, but I'm moving out very soon. So I wanted to do a dorm room tour video. This had been on my to-do list for a long time, like I said, but it's finally happening, guys. Kind of sad that it's happening at the end. Kind of sad that I waited this long. I actually didn't want to, but I always thought that, I will do it when I have organized my room in a particular way, when I've set everything up the way I want, when everything's displayed the way I want. And I think at this point in time, it is pretty much so, but yeah, I was also really busy with other things, so I never really got the chance to do this. So here we are. So how this will go is that we'll go outside my room and then we'll take a tour of a 360 tour of everything, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't know if it'll be interesting or not. I might tell you little stories here and there about things in my room. I hope you like it, so let's go. So here we are outside my room. I've turned on my flash because the lighting is quite dim. But I'm starting with the outside because I wanted to show you guys my magnets. I've got all these magnets. I actually collect magnets and they're from like different places I've been to, or some of them are gifts. Some of them are from Karachi. I have a lot more, but I have them back home in Karachi. So this is the first view that you see as soon as you enter my room. My broken blinds. Okay, let's start here. So this is my coat hanger. This was really trending a couple of years back, which is when I got it. And I've got all my winter jackets and coats, my leather jackets, everything like that here. Also my purse is right here. So I got all my bags displayed here. And also on the other side, I have my regular bag. I got this from a Christmas market in Köln a couple of years back. It was only for 20 bucks, but at that time it seemed a huge amount. And yeah, then this is just a university bag that I just use as a gym bag sometimes, not always. I need a good gym bag. Down here I have another duffel bag. This is from Pakistan. This is actually my mom and dad's. This is very dear to my mom. She always tells me, bring it back when you come back. And then down here I just have like random stuff stored. So I got my heater, two umbrellas. You always need them in Germany. Box of Vans, but it actually has my other shoes in it at the moment. This bag, oh, this bag has been my savior. Like, I got this bag 4 years ago when I was coming to Germany. I got 17 kgs worth of stuff in it, and this was my hand carry, so it was really embarrassing. And this bag has really like withstand the test of time. There have been times where, a zip here and there have come off, but every time I go back to Pakistan, I just take it to the mochi, which is I think shoe cobbler, and yeah, they always fix it for me. So be it a little bit of tear inside or these zippers, whatever it is, but this bag is really good. It has been there with me through thick and thin. I buy all my groceries and carry it in this. Anybody who has lived abroad knows the struggle is real. It's not as easy when it's not as easy as it is when you're home with your parents, but it is what it is. And then here I have a jewelry box. I'm not gonna open it because it's not that organized, but this was a gift from a friend from Syria and I really love it. Moving on, here I have a display of my Polaroids. I actually turned it backwards because I don't have permission to show photos of the people who are in the photos, and also they're personal, they're my friends, so I don't really want to show them, but you can imagine what it looks like because I just hang some sunglasses. These are some cheapy ones, funky ones. And then yeah, this we had from a Hawaiian party that we had on campus once. So I just I kept it as a souvenir. So this is my study corner, but I also watch myself apparently on YouTube here. Shameless plug. Um, okay, so let's start from the top. Oh my god, I forgot to organize this. But anyways, I'm moving out, so what's the point of organizing anything now? Clock, very important. I cannot live without one. And this is like right in front of my bed. So every day when I wake up, the first thing I see is the clock, and it's very, very important for me. Some habits that I just have because of my parents. Then here I have a nice display of some dried flowers which I received as a bouquet. Then up here I have all my perfumes displayed in this really cute tray. Some skincare stuff, some hair care stuff, random things. And then here I have some more skincare, hairspray, stuff like that. At the back I have a mirror. I'm not gonna go too much around this because it's not organized at the moment, but that's about it. Then we come here, I have my beauty light, so I do my makeup and stuff here also. And then I just have these random chocolates here. They're actually not random. I got these as my farewell gifts from my boss and my colleague. So well, I didn't want to just like, I didn't know where to put them at the moment, so I just put them here. But that's that. And here of course is my laptop and my stationery and everything like that. Then we move to this side. I will just pull this down for no reason at all. Nothing interesting going on here. This is just the windowsill. Got a candle. And then here I just have one plant. Rest of my plants are not here. And they're elsewhere. And yeah, nothing interesting. I just made this little thing up a while back. So it's here. And then some dried flowers that I again picked from campus. And I will be carrying them with me as a memory. Then here I have my light because the light in my room is actually yellow light and I don't really like it. The one on the ceiling. So well, actually I do use it, but like for this video, I didn't want to use it. So that's why we have our filming light on. And then here I have my cupboard. Behind there I store my tripod and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna go there right now because it's again a mess, and since I'm moving out, there's no point in that. This is my cupboard. I really love it. I actually got it from the guy who was living here before. It's so huge and the mirror is so huge and I just really love it. Again, I'm also not gonna open my cupboard because mess. But yeah, moving on. So here is another little corner that I curated myself, and I just have an arrangement of some dried eucalyptus leaves, some dried flowers, some fake flowers, some more eucalyptus, some dyed blue roses. My air plants are here, but they're usually not here. They're here because I was filming a video yesterday. Got my AirPods, got my other Bluetooth earphones that I got from Amazon a long time ago. And then in this little corner, I just have my tripod here because I will be using it now. I have my small table there that I use sometimes when I'm working on bed. And then I have a reflector here because again, YouTuber life, very important. Then here I have a thunder sign and another mirror. I love mirrors. Actually, I always want them in all of my houses and all of my places. So it's really important for me. You'll forever find mirrors, lots and lots of them at my place. And then up here I have again some knickknacks that I think I'll go in detail when I move houses and have another arrangement of the sort. There's just too much going on. But okay, let's get into it. So I got my DSLR back there. I got my Polaroid camera right here. This is, I don't know, the one that was trending a couple of years back. I don't remember the name. Instax Mini, I guess. I got Pez here. So I have one more of these best things, but I can't find it. That one is actually really old and I got it from Oman. It's also a cat. Again, this is Sylvester, right? There was another cat, I forgot her name, and it's a pink one. I can't find it. If I find it at the end of this vlog when I'm packing, then I'll show it to you guys. But I got that a long time ago. Then I've got this really random display of lighters here, and I don't even smoke. which is so funny, but I just love collecting cute things. So I got these here. And the funny thing is, like, if my friends ever come over and somebody uses my lighters, I know immediately that something was moved because, like, you know, I keep everything arranged in a certain way. I learned this from my dad that, you know, if we used to ever go into his room and something would be even like slightly out of its place, my dad would immediately know somebody was there and he would call us out. Like, he would be like, "Were you in my room?" And we'd be like, "How do you know?" And he would be like, "I keep my things a certain way." So I've picked that up from him. So if you're ever in my room and you touch something, I would know. I got this very random Haribo gummy bear here. I don't even eat these gummies as such, but I don't know, like, I just thought it would be cool to display there. It was such a random purchase. I've got my tea kettle back there. I need to put it to use. Then I got some random candle here. And then this random polymer clay ring that has been here for a while. Then I got this mug, which was a gift from my friends back in A-levels. It was a birthday gift actually, and I was quite amused that they gave me this, but they said that, Jadira, like, when we think of you, this is like the kind of stuff we think you like. So wow. And then at the back I have an Eiffel Tower. It's a light up one, but it's out of battery at the moment, so sorry about that. I've got a matryoshka here. This was a gift from my brother. He got it for me from Russia a very long time ago, like, I don't know, like more than 10 years ago. Then I've got my tattoo tarot deck here. This is something that I bought for myself as a birthday gift a couple of years back. I love tarot and I'm interested in it, and I read it sometimes, but only personal, like, I just read it for myself. I don't read it for anyone else. And then back there also I have another dried rose, which was a gift. You'll see a lot of dried flowers here. I think I should get up so you get a better view. And I got a Coke can there, which is again so random, but you know what? I did not know that in Germany, the Pepsi is actually, in Germany, the Pepsi contains, what do you call it? Artificial sugar, like even the regular Pepsi, and that's why I just cannot stand the taste of it, because I hate Coke Zero and Pepsi Zero and anything zero and anything with artificial sweeteners. Oh my god, I cannot stand it. So that's why, like, even though I don't drink soda much, this Coke can is very iconic for me. So it's there. Then here I have this cute little lantern, which was again a gift from a Moroccan friend. So I've put a tea light inside it. This is a moon, which also I think is out of charge at the moment. That's why you're not seeing it on, but it's also a light. I've got some fake roses here. Again, I don't know. I got a mug from Christmas market there. The snow angel also. Something that's very festive and nice. A random elephant candle here. This was actually from one of my Islamic birthdays that I was celebrating recently. I got myself 3 cakes because I officially turned 30 according to Islamic calendar. So we got 3 cakes and 3 candles. I've got a random arrangement of books here. Some of my favorite authors actually, and some randomness in the mix. And again, I have another tarot deck here. This was actually my first tarot deck, and this was a gift from my brother. Again, super random, like there was no occasion. He just was at a bookshop and he spotted that and he was like, "Oh, I should buy this for Jadira, something that she might be interested in." So that was really sweet of him. And then I've got another matryoshka here, which again also my brother got. A Coke glass, another candle from my recent birthday, a teddy bear, which was, it's not a teddy bear, it's a bunny actually. Another dried flower, and a cute little espresso mug. Then what do we have here? Here we have my light arrangement. We're officially on my bed, guys. I think I should get down, but let me just zoom in on this first. So it's a bit dusty. This is, what is it, an evil eye protection thingy. This was a gift from my dad a long time ago. Again, super random. Like, my family, we just gift each other random things at random times for no reason at all, and I do that with my friends also. Like, I just randomly would gift people things and for no rhyme and reason. Then this random moon, I don't know, I just found it cute and I bought it and I just displayed it here. And this snowflake ornament, which is actually a Christmas decoration. Well, one of these times when I was in Belgium, my friend had these all over her doorknobs, and I found it so cute. So when I came back, I also just filled my room with it. And then this is my bed. It's very, I don't know, mismatched right now, but I have to just chuck everything into the wash anyway. So like, why are we even bothered? Like, I don't get it. And yeah, I just got some shelves up there too, and my fan, which again I really love because like it's very aesthetic. I paid extra amount to get this color of fan because I thought it would look really cool. um but yeah, that's everything in my room. So that is my dorm room tour that I thought I would do, I don't know, a long time ago, but definitely not now that I'm moving out. But it is what it is. So that was my room. I hope you guys liked it. This is the best I could do, staying in a dorm in one single room. I tried organizing it as best as I could, manage it as best as I could. I don't know if you can tell, but I actually like my place to be quite spacious. So I did not fill it up with a lot of furniture. I actually do have a lot of plants, but they're not in my room, unfortunately, because my room does not get that much light, so I put them somewhere else. And in this video I just want to do my dorm room tour. I don't want to take you around my whole house because it's not just my personal private space. I share it with other people, so that's why I do not want to invade their privacy. But yeah, this is everything from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you would decorate your dorm room, or if you have any other tips or tricks, because I am moving out soon, so I have to start all over again, and that would be quite interesting as well. And it would be nice if my hair behaves for once, which it never does. So yeah, that's everything. I don't know what else to say, what else to add. Goodbyes are hard is what I would say. Okay, I would just say a couple of lines for like the people I met on campus. My experience has been amazing to say the least, and I met so many people who have touched me in so many ways that they would never even know. And this is just like a huge shout out, and also a huge thank you to everyone for everything that they taught me, in one way or the other. I'll always remember you. I have really fond memories, and I am taking with me a lot of love and blessings and good friendships. So even though goodbyes are hard, but they're supposed to happen, right? Like, change is also good. You're not supposed to stay at one place forever. So I'm really looking forward to what's next, and all hearts from my side. Catch you guys in another vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. ये वो जगह है जिस पर कभी खेले थे हम तुम मिलकर सभी. So guys, this is my room, completely empty. Just have the curtains and a blind hanging and some shelves. I've never seen my room this empty. Like, even when I moved in, the bed and the cupboard were already here. It's pretty crazy, and it's so echoey. I can't believe I was here for 4 years, and now everything is gone. We ripped everything apart, but this is basically my empty dorm room tour. Peace. This is also pretty cool, but I have a love and hate relationship with this because I don't really like rugs in my room because I think they can be a bit unsanitary and they need a lot of maintenance. So I keep on folding it and putting it in the corner, especially when I have people on, because I hate it if somebody steps on my rugs. Please don't. Nice and soft.